How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm gonna show you how to listen to Apple Music, the very same Apple Music we know and love from the iPhone and the iPad on your Windows PC. It's super easy. It's actually instant because we don't even have to download anything. I bet you're gonna love it. So let's get started. All you have to do is open up your preferred browser. So you can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and even Microsoft Edge, you name it. And then you're gonna go to this website, which is gonna be music.apple.com. As you're seeing, music.apple.com. And this is actually the Apple Music web player. So that's why you don't even have to download anything, because we're gonna do it over the browser. It's so good, and I love it because we don't have to download anything, as I mentioned. And now all you have to do is sign in right here at the top right hand corner, this red button. So click here, and then you're gonna sign in with your Apple ID, because with that, we're gonna be able to get the music library. So you're gonna have access to your songs, your artists, everything you have on your iPhone or iPad is gonna be right here on your Windows PC. So that's my email. I'm gonna hit next and then put on my password, and then next again on the little arrow. And since I have two-step verification, I'm gonna be prompted here on my iPhone. So I'm just gonna hit allow, and then type in this secondary password. If you don't have the two-factor authentication enabled, you're not gonna see this screen. You're just gonna be logged in automatically. Next is asking me if I wanna trust this browser. Yes, I can trust it. And then we're up. As you guys can see, I'm logged in to the web player of Apple Music. So as you guys can see, I can check all my sections, like for example, my artists, albums, songs, absolutely everything is loaded just like on my iPhone, my iPad, whatever. It's all synced up and ready so I can use it just the way I use on those other devices. I can go to recently edit, for example, same story. I can view everything that's on my iPhone as well. I'm very sorry that this section is actually in Portuguese. It's just because my Apple Music account is actually in Brazil. So then I'm having issues with the language. Very sorry about that. But as you guys can see, everything is here on that very same order, all the bands, everything. So I can do whatever I want. I can check my playlists. Perfect experience on Apple Music without having to download anything. Amazing. Let me just play a song very quickly just to show you that it actually works and everything is perfect. All right. So let me get this song. I'm just going to play it for like a second just because of copyright issues and things like that. And as you guys can see, it plays perfectly. Again, I can just play like a second if I don't get any copyright issues or anything like that. But perfectly working. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you liked it. Just a quick tutorial showing you how you can actually listen to Apple Music on your Windows PC, just like you would if you had a Mac, and having the same experience that you have on your iPhone, on your iPad, right here on your PC. All right. So that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.